Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a mighty lion named Leo and a small cheerful bird named Pip. One hot day, Leo was resting under a tree when he heard Pip crying. Pip had injured her wings and couldn't fly back to her nest. Feeling compassionate, Leo gently carried Pip on his back and Leo took her to a safe place where she could heal. Days turned into weeks and Pip's wings slowly healed. During this time, Pip entertained Leo with her beautiful songs and stories. The unlikely pair formed a deep friendship, showing that kindness knew no size or strength. One day, Leo got caught in a hunter's net. Pip, seeing her friend in a trouble, flew to the nearby animals and alerted him. Together, they gnawed through the rope, setting Leo free. Leo realized that even the smallest friend can make a big difference. From then on, Leo and Pip bond grew stronger, teaching everyone in the forest the true meaning of friendship and mutual aid.